So now we try make a small solar cells. Of the blank, it's a plastic coated with transparent conductive layer. And now we make a layer of floated cell which directly generates electricity. And now I set this element of dispenser which emit a special solution deposit a layer of solar cell. It's computer controlled. Now I turn on and we will be seen in a spray with small drops. Small drops are just getting by ultrasonic. Deposit this layer. And this process finished and I turn off on the computer program. And I take out what we got. That it's rare which has alternate yellow. Yellow is later to that. And it's such a small rainbow modulation. This means that's very thin. And now this dark layer around the second component. And when it's first reacted, we form a dark layer. Here the process is not completed. And here is already the process is completed. Here glass, then a brown layer of solar cell. And the other side the electrode layer, which we made it to watt energy. Such a sink, of course, it's very put directly over the house. So we produce electricity from the sun. But in the outer, such smaller, where you can make a lot of, and that we need much less reagents. And now I'm going to measure this efficiency, or rather we will measure the current. I plug electrodes, one to connect the lamp, turn on the lamp, and approximately square centimeter, and wear from the third to half of the sun, and we get somewhere 50 microamperes. And it's count around 1 square meter, we get about 50 amperes or 60. It's now two powerhouses. Thank you for your attention.